Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
Hi everyone, this is Colin here. Today I want to share a little bit about for the youth series. Okay, so the first question I want to answer is what to invest if you only have $100 a month. Okay, so if you have only $100 a month, is there any stocks that you can invest in? Okay, some people say, hey, there's nothing to invest in if you only have $100 a month. Okay, that's not true. What you can do is you can actually do dollar cost averaging. Have you heard of this thing called dollar cost averaging? And you can actually go to buy a small amount of shares every month, to accumulate for your portfolio. Okay, there are many companies that allow you to do this. DBS have plans like that. Okay, Philips Securities has a plan like that called Share Builder Plan. Many banks nowadays have a facility like that. They allow you to buy a small amount of shares every month and accumulate shares over time. Okay, so if you are interested to invest, okay, one of the ways is to actually to embark on one scheme. Okay, you can do it as little as $100 a month. Okay, on top of that, some people will ask, hey, what to invest? Okay, should I buy? What kind of shares should I buy? If you have no idea what to buy, the best is actually to invest in the STI ETF. So in STI ETF, basically you are investing in all the 30 shares, the 30 biggest shares in Singapore, and you are just investing in the economy of Singapore. So if you believe that in 10, 20, 30 years time, Singapore will continue to do well, okay, I think this is the best investment you can do. Okay, let's look at historical, what is the results. Okay, let's look at 30 years annualized return for STI. 30 years annualized return for STI is around 8 to 12% annually. So if you believe that for the last 30 years and the next 30 years will be about the same, so you'll be getting returns of about 8 to about 12%, okay, depending on which year you're taking the money out. But this is a good way to invest, okay, rather than just put money in insurance company. Some people want to buy like saving plan or things like that. Okay, in fact, it's better off to just buy, do dollar cost averaging on the stock itself, because if you invest in a saving plan, a lot of the money actually goes to the agent, goes to the company. Okay, but when you invest directly into the stock market, you are getting the real returns. Okay, and a lot of times all these insurance companies, when they take your money and invest in saving plan, they are also investing in the same instrument like the STI ETF or the individual stocks. Okay, so if you're $100 a month, this is actually, my view, the best investment.